Okay, now let's look at some other visualizations. We will look at show how much content has been added to Netflix over the years. Okay, so I will do this, show how much content has been added to Netflix over the years. Okay, let it run. Right, and it gives us a line plot that shows the amount of content added to Netflix each year. And we can see that, since from 2015 onward, it has been increasing, right? So essentially from 2016 to 2020, there was a significant increase in amount of content being added. It even gives us that says that the reason for the trend might be increasing popularity of streaming services and the expansion of Netflix into various international markets. Say we want to have some follow-up queries also. Say I want a bar graph. Alright, I want it to be in pink color, in pink. Alright, you can also say I want the x-axis to be a certain label or the y-axis to be a certain label. Okay, so enter. Okay, let it run. Then now we have a bar graph showing the amount of content added to Netflix as we have prompted it, and it's colored pink. So just go and explore other forms of visualizations where it might be even better to analyze the data with.